Welcome to our Snowflake Made Easy series, and already we have uploaded 5 videos. Please check it out. Those are very simple and very informative for you guys. And today we are discussing about how you can vanish your duplicate records from your table within a second. So without wasting a single minute, let's begin it. So first I will create a table. Let me create it with the name of sample data. So here, if you don't know what does this mean, this after number the size has been specified, but here you can see the two numbers. What does it mean is the total size of the number should be 10. What does this 2 mean? This 2 mean after the decimal there should be 2 digits, so total we have 10 digit of size, but at the end after decimal we have 2 more digits, so the total will be 8. 8 before the decimal and 2 after the decimal. I hope it's clear. Now let me insert the data. Here you can see these data are already duplicated from the ID 12345. Here you can see. Let's insert the data. 90s 19 row inserted. Let's comment this and let's again enter some data. 9 rows are inserted. Let's comment these two. Okay, so let's see what our data is now. Select star from sample data. Yeah, you can see here the total 33 records we have, but there are many duplicates. Which are the duplicates one and which are the original one? How to find that? Let's see which are the original one first. So for that, what you can do is select distinct star from our sample data. Let's check. So only 14 records are original, rest of all records are duplicated and unwanted. Let's vanish them. If you want to see how many times a specific record has been inserted, for that you have to write select id, let's say salary, say salary, salary, and count star from our table. Let's make count as count. I have given here alias. Let's make group by id. So what it does is whichever record has the same id in the table, it will make a separate group for it and it will just show only one, not the complete. Let's see what it says. So here you can see all the distinct records. Leave this max salary and here you can see the id1 has been repeated 4 times, id2 4 times. Similarly, likewise 11, id11 2 times and id12 2 times, id10 1 time. So like this you can see which record has been duplicated how many times. But our main point is to how to vanish these duplicated records. So for that, what you can do is, so here you understand that it will just display the distinct records. Even if it has many records of the same record, it will display only one. So what we can do is, we can copy it. We can copy it. So how we can do that? We have to write create a table sample data 2 as is used as alias, but we can also use as to copy. So what we are copying from this is showing only distinct record, right? So we will just copy our distinct records in another table. Let's hit enter. Okay, it's saying okay, sorry. Let's hit enter. Okay, for the testing purpose I have already created the sample data 2. Let's drop it first. Drop table, table name. Oh shit, here I mistakenly dropped the my main table. Actually I wanted to drop sample2 table. If this was not in Snowflake, then it could be a very big issue. But because it's Snowflake, we can travel back in the time and get our table back. Undrop table name. That's the best feature, or you can say specialty, of the Snowflake. That's what I have completely explained in this video. Time travel with the even small and small details. Once you see this, you don't need any else video on this earth. And my whole playlist motto is to make everything simple. Yeah, this time I will drop my table too. So let's create it. It's successfully created. If I see my sample 2, it have just 14 records and without any duplicated value. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, it is. But the main thing is my table name is sample data, and the created one, the deduplicated one, is with the name of sample data 2. So what I can do is, there are many things. First thing, you can alter the table name. If you want to alter the table name, first you have to drop the table, which is not necessary now. Table this, because it contains the many duplicated record. Successfully drop. Now to my sample data 2 table, I will rename it to just my original table, that is sample data. How you can do that? You can do that, alter table sample data 2, rename to sample data. So alter my table with the sample data and hit enter. Statement executed successfully, and if I see my table, my deduplicated records are here. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. One more thing, what you can do is, instead of renaming the table, you can just swap it. For that, first we have to undrop our sample data. Let's see. Here is the table with the many duplicated record. So what you can do is, so you can write this query to swap it. Our sample data 2 is deduplicated one and this is duplicated one. They both will swap here and you can see the result. Statement executed successfully. Originally this was deduplicated, but this is, here you can see this is with the duplicated one, and my sample data was duplicated and here it is deduplicated one. Yeah, that's what for today. I hope you have learned something new, something amazing. I hope you will continue learning in the future by watching our videos. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't miss any of our videos, because our every video has something unique and something creativity and something knowledgeful. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you found the video was informative, please make sure you like the video and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.